Wall Street tumbled again Monday, but the retreat comes after the stock market's best two-day advance in years. So some retrenchment, especially amid the anxiety on the street, wasn't unexpected. Investors struggled with their anxiety about the government's plan to buy $700 billion in bank mortgage debt and sought safety in hard assets like gold and oil, which closed up $16.37 at $120.92 a barrel. It had risen more than $25 during the session. The Dow fell nearly 373 points to close at 11,015. Broader stock indicators also declined. The Standard & Poor's 500 index fell 48 points to 1,207, and the Nasdaq Composite Index fell 95 to finish at 2,179. Investors spent the day dealing with the rapid changes in the banking sector. The Federal Reserve late Sunday granted Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs, the country's last two major investment banks, approval to change their status to bank holding companies. The trajectory of the government's bailout plan has yet to be finalized, giving investors even more unease. However, a key Democrat negotiating the bailout says the Bush administration has agreed to include mortgage aid and strong congressional oversight in the plan. Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.